Alright guys, first of all, if you don't know what I'm talking about, please check out my epic drone short film edit. Links in down below, so please check it out, and thumbs up. If you watched the epic drone short film edit, you also known that I'm holding a camera right here, and this is the Sjcam Sj4000, and we shot the epic drone short film with this thing. And maybe in the future, if you guys smash that like button, I do a review on this camera, on this GoPro clone, I guess. I do a review on it as soon as you smack that like button. And last but not least, we shot the epic drone short film with the Parrot drone 2.0. And maybe if in the future, I hope that you guys smack that like button, I do a review on it too. So hope you guys smack the like button, and yeah, that's I will do a quick round on this setup, on this Parrot drone 2.0, and yeah, I hope you see you soon.